What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Sahur from Italian Brainrot. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top. You want to come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add two smaller circles in the center of each eye. And I'll add an even smaller circle in the center for the pupil, and then fill that in black. Now underneath each eye, we're going to add a fold, coming down and then out. Let's move down in the center, draw a straight line for the mouth. Now connect the ends with a curve going up and then down. And then we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Let's move down in the center and add a small curve for the lip. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw in the eyebrows. Starting on the left side, we're going to bend this up and in. Line this up on the right, go out and then down. Let's round out the inside of the eyebrows and then bend that down towards the side. Now we want to move up and draw a curve for the top of the head. Starting on the left, bend this up, across, and then down. Let's round out the ends with a bracket, and we'll trace that same curve across the top. Now we're going to add the lid. Starting on the left, bend this up, across, and then down. And then in the center, we'll draw a circle tucked in the middle. Along the bottom of the lid, we're going to draw the side of the body. Let's start on the left. Start by coming straight down, bend this out, and then back in towards the bottom. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Coming down, bend this out, and in towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. And then from the corners, angle this down and out. And then draw another straight line going across. Now we want to add the legs in underneath the body, leaving a large gap in the center. For the left side, we're going to bend the leg going out, and then back in towards the heel. And then do the same thing on the right. Let's round up the heel, coming down and then up towards the outside toes. Let's add a large first toe. We're going to draw a circle with an open end on the right side, and then do the same thing in the opposite direction. Now there are two more toes on either side. Starting on the left, draw a slightly smaller circle, and then do that one more time. Now in between the last two toes, we're going to curve the foot, going up and then bend that down. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the outside of the leg. We're going to step out, the leg is going to get wider as it comes down, and at the bottom we're just going to bend that out on top of the foot. In the center of the legs, let's add a small curve for the knees. Over on the left side of the body, we're going to add that spout. Let's start up here. Start by going out and up, and then bend that out towards the spout. And here we're just going to draw a small oval coming down in an angle. From the bottom of that oval, come in, come all the way down, go wider as you come back in towards the body. Now just up above the spout, we're going to add a puff of steam. Starting up here, come down, and then back out. And we're going to draw a series of curves going all the way around. So we'll start the left side, go a little bit bigger, and work our way back in. Let's go all the way over towards the right. We're going to draw the handle with a straight line going out. And we'll draw the inside edge of the arm, going up, all the way around, come in towards the body, and then out towards the wrist. Let's add the thumb, coming down, around, and then back up. Let's add that first finger from the thumb, then it's around and in, round out the finger, and go up towards the top. Now I want to layer the second finger in behind, so along the side, and go around, and then pull that in towards the wrist. Let's go back to the side of the body. We're going to draw the outside of the handle, even space gap going all the way around. And as you get towards the wrist, we're going to taper this out. Along the inside of this finger, we're going to see the tip of the last two fingers with a curve. Do that once, and then twice. Let's add a thumbnail with an oval. And we'll add one more nail on that index finger. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's Ta-ta, Ta-ta, Sahur from Italian Brainrot. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.